Good evening, guys, and here I am. In this episode I'm going to be changing the sill plates, the ones that I got over the weekend from another fellow, George. He also have a couple of these cars, and I needed these sill plates, so he actually kept these for me for a few months until I could get to him. And then over the weekend I went and I got these beautiful sill plates, as you guys can see, body by Fisher. And I did a lot of cleaning, and there were areas that I needed to fix from the bottom, like you can see in the other episode, because there was damage. You know, these are almost like 35-40 years old sill plates. And I also got these belts from him, so I'm installing this belt right now. As you can see, I had to wash and clean this, and here's the retract part, which I'm actually just installing it right now as we make. So this is ongoing progress, and so I figured what could be the better way than this, you know, to share with you guys and show you how I'm doing it. So this is almost exactly as a live. I know I'm making a video, but if I were to do this live, this is exactly how I would be doing it. So what you're seeing now is what I'm doing. So I'm just tightening this bolt here, the seat bolt. It's a 45T Torx, so that's in there nice and snug, and I'm gonna put the screws for these plates and start putting all these wires where the inside. I'm not sure how this is going to be, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, I think that's how this harness, this cover for all these wires is going to just lay down there, and these are going to go on here. I also need to install the carpet, and the reason why I was waiting on these is so I could install the carpet. But before I do that, I want to wash, clean, and dye the carpet, restore it, actually not dye, restore it and then do a different color on it. So that's taking some time now, but I figured, you know, let's see how this how I can install this belt and how it's going to work. So when I start doing this, I needed to put the sill plate first, install the sill plate first, and then install, you know, the ratchet mechanism, the lower ratchet mechanism for the belt. So I've done that, and I'm gonna go and take this guy off and install the tan one. So give me a few minutes, let me figure that out, take this guy out, and then I'll install this and I'll make another video. So this part is installed, the belt is right here. This needs to be figured out how the belt is going to go through this guide here, and the ratchet on the top has been installed also, as you guys can see. So all this is done. This piece here is you know, secured to the to this ratchet here on the top, and it's going, you know, into the side wall how it's supposed to. And so yeah, so the belt is officially installed, and it's, you know, it's functioning. So I have to do, yeah, it's coming out, see, it's coming out nicely to go around the driver. Alright guys, this is it for now. Another progress done. The left front driver's belt has been installed. The next one is going to be the back one, the inner back, because I still have the outers, you know, originals from in the car. So once I get them back from my buddy, I will install them. So this is it for tonight, and as you guys can see, all the progress that's going on the car. And yeah, that's the one of the inner back ones. Yeah, I can put that in tomorrow. I'm just too tired to do it tonight. Okay guys, take care, have a nice night, good night, bye bye.